Okay, so looking at number 1, it wants to know if these two people got the same answer, if their work wasn't the same. So let's take a look at what Jacob did in this first question right here. I can see that this was the original equation up here. And it looks like he's divided everything by 3. So he's going to get rid of the 3, and he's left with x plus 6 equals 4x. And if he were to continue to solve that, he would probably subtract that x over, leaving him with 6 is equal to 3x. And then he would divide both sides by 3, and he would get x equals 2. Okay, so let's take a look at what Colin did. So given this original equation, I just accidentally marked out. Given this original equation, what did Colin do differently? So you can tell that Colin has distributed the 3 first. Let's see if he'll get the same answer. So he's left with 3x plus 18 equals 12x. So let's get our 3's on the same side. So we're going to subtract 3x from both sides, leaving us with 18 is equal to 12 minus 3, which is 9x, and divide both sides by 9, and he also gets x equals 2. So it says, did they get the same answer? You can say yes, they got the answer of 2. You can say that Jacob divided first, and Colin distributed first. If I can get my pen to work. Okay, so that would be how you would answer number 1. Let's take a look at number 2. It says Nicole solved the equation 2x minus 5 times x minus 4. Oh, hang on, I can't even see the rest of the problem. Give me a sec. Okay, equals 2. Her work is shown below. Is her answer correct? If not, where did she make the mistake? Alright, so taking a look at A, the first thing I would do is to distribute this negative 5 onto everything. So I would have 2x, and then negative 5 times x is going to give me a negative 5x, and then a negative 5 times a negative 4 is going to give me a positive 20. I know negative times a negative always gives me a positive. Well, let's take a look at what Nicole did here on line 2. We can go ahead and circle this. She said that negative 5 times negative 4 was a negative 20. And we know that two negatives multiplied together gives you a positive. So her solution would be, where did she make her mistake? B. And say something like or you can say something like negative 5 times negative 4 equals a positive 20. And that would get you a correct answer on that one.